Hey folks, it's great evening being American. It's Bro Do It Yourself again. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. It's January the 13th, 2024, and the bottom's dropped out. We're going to have some cold weather for the next couple of days, probably next week or so. Teens, zero, that kind of stuff. So, this is definitely the place for four seasons. I got this last bank in the middle hooked up. That's what I wanted to tell you about, and here it is. Bango. So they're all on now. They're all low. Look at that. Place is enlightened. Just makes the junk pop out more. Now I got to get to work on that. You know what is? I hate to leave a job half finished, but I really need to. No, I guess I should go and get the perimeter lights run. But my gosh, I'm tired of working around all this stuff. Should have thought about that before, but I want to get it done. So this light will attach to this light. Probably use some flex, some kind of like watertight, whatever that is. And then I'll use regular PVC here, and use flex here, and then I don't know what I use here. But anyway, I'll tee them together and bring them down this last switch. I'll have to tee those together, bang, bang, right there probably, and bring them right down to finish and get the plate on. And then I need to start making room and changing this area. My gosh, can you believe how long it took to get those lights up? And I'm still not done. But the main deal, now my garage door malfunctioned. My stop sensor won't stop functioning. I think what it is when I was monkeying around with the wires, hooked onto a wire and probably pulled it out. I haven't had time to look at that yet, but it's travel wires. It looked like it got pulled out. I reattached one. So I just wanted to give an update and say, show you that it can be done by a novice do-it-yourselfer. Anybody can do this job. You just got to pay attention. That's the thing. It's mundane, and I put a little support here because there was a lot of monkeying around flexibility on that, and I didn't like that. So other than that, it looks halfway professional. The lines aren't exactly parallel, but they're close enough for a government job. So anyway, I'm starting to like what I see. Like I say, all this stuff is going to be insulated over, and then I'll have pegboard, and I'll say goodbye to all the goofing around I did. So these are next. Let me get rid of these two. I can't see them. These are next. And I'll have them tied onto that one over there. Now I can put this project to bed for the meantime. This light here, it was the last light I got. I forget which one it was. It was one of these. So I'm lucky I had it online. I mean, what it was is the driver was broken out of it. Broke out, snapped off of the brace, and the driver was cracked off. So I'm lucky I had one. There's nothing wrong with that light. I just need to super glue it or whatever. I got the return for it. They didn't even want it back. They just refunded me. So there you go. Little stuff like that are holdups. I'm glad I had that as a backup, though, man. I was going to put that somewhere, and I'm glad I just got it, so it worked out. Anyway, it's time to do the next thing now. So I think with haste, I'm going to jump on this light here. Get it strung immediately. Get it over here. Get it out of the way. Get that done. And then I'll start stringing these together. I have to go through the whole process of rewiring daisy chaining them together and then locking these brackets down. Same thing I've been doing. So maybe I should bring this. No, they're out far enough. I brought them. I had them in the middle, and I thought, you know, if I'm going to pack out in some of those, some kind of stand here or something for them to lay in, I figured I'd have to have light out, but I didn't want to block it off from the side, so I might have to revisit that and bring them out a little farther. Doesn't take much. That's that kind of thing. See, I'm limited here with this garage door spring, even though this is going to go away, and I'll probably have some kind of spring system up here, roller. I have to go with what I have now, so that makes for further future projects, doesn't it? Anyway, thanks for coming back, and just knowing you're there helps me know that I can do this, you know. One of the last things I want to do is come down here on 0 day and get out here and start monkeying around. But it's got to be done, so I put off too long. And I'm liking the results. You know, my gosh, you just got to stick with it. And looks nice, doesn't it? Nice for an old garage. Anyway, stop tooting my horn and post this thing and let you guys know I appreciate you being around. See you. Yep, just keeps getting better. Thanks, everybody.